Despite their small size compared to other organs, our kidneys are essential for our body. It's through the kidneys that the blood is cleansed of potentially harmful substances. Additionally, they regulate body fluids and perform other functions. One of the most recurrent problems in the kidneys is the formation of kidney stones. They're created by the accumulation of substances like calcium, which sometimes aren't adequately filtered by the kidneys. Given their importance, we must take care of our kidneys so they remain healthy. Many times, symptoms pointing to problems in these organs may not be present at first, only coming later when the problem has already worsened. In addition to consuming an adequate amount of water daily, there are juices that can help the kidneys perform their functions more effectively. In today's video, we will teach you to prepare a juice that carries several excellent natural ingredients, not only for the health of the kidneys, but also for the whole body. They are lemons. This fruit is rich in citric acid, a substance capable of dissolving and preventing the appearance of kidney stones. Turmeric. Turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help in the prevention and treatment of inflammation and kidney infections. Ginger. Just like turmeric, ginger is an excellent natural anti-inflammatory. Cranberries. Cranberries contain quinic acid, which helps to break down calcium and prevent the bonding of substances together to form the stones. Cranberries, as well as lemons, can also prevent the appearance of these stones. Grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants that, in addition to strengthening the kidneys, can even reverse kidney damage. Now that you know the ingredients, let's go to the recipe. 1 cup of cranberry juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of grape juice. Instructions: pour the grape and cranberry juices in a jar. Add the turmeric powder, lemon juice, and grated ginger and stir well. Let it stand for 30 minutes so the ingredients will infuse well. Then filter the juice in a clean glass. We recommend that you drink this juice every day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.